It is just after 7:30. We've got an earlier start today. I've got another 600-mile day. The plan this morning is to just jump on the highway. It's about 180 miles to the Mackinac Bridge. So I'm going to do 290-mile stretch, get some breakfast after the first one, and then end up in Superior, Wisconsin tonight. Huh. So it's called Mackinac Bridge. I have been saying Mackinac for like, I don't know, a year. I'm gonna have to edit all that out. I've been here for 30 minutes and now we're on the downward slope. So I just turned off the bike. I'm in neutral and I'm coasting down. Okay, after, wow, like an hour and a half, hour and 15 minutes, I'm on the road again. I stopped a couple times for some pictures. I spent like 30 or 45 minutes in traffic on the bridge. But now I'm on my way across the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. Into Wisconsin, and instead of taking a picture of the welcome sign, I waved at it. So that's how exhausted I am. I'm realizing this trip is not about sightseeing. This trip is about covering ground. This is my second 600-mile day in a row. Tomorrow is going to be even bigger, which isn't good or bad. That's just the way it is for what I've planned. I'm trying to cover a lot of ground in a short period of time. And it's a trade-off. You either cover ground or you see a lot of things. And I'm trying to cover a lot of ground. We did not get on the road at 5. It is now 9 o'clock. You know, it is what it is. Still going to try to do 600 or 700 miles today and see where I end up. Warmed up quite a bit. It was 61 when I left this morning. It's 79 now. So I have taken off all of my warm gear. I just had breakfast here at the Sportsman Cafe in Deer River, I believe, Minnesota. And they are, oh, that doesn't sound right. What gear am I in? There it is. Yep, Deer River, Minnesota. So, the menu says their specialty is stuffed hash browns, and I like hash browns, so I was like, hey, I don't know how you stuff a hash brown, let me see what this is all about. And they brought it out, and it was a pile of hash browns, like layered with just a ton of meat. There's no other way to describe it. And, you know, it was fine. I wouldn't say it was great, but it did make me laugh, like, out loud when they put it down in front of me. So that's how I started my morning, or, you know, noon, I guess. That last tank of gas was an eventful one. I crossed the Mississippi River, where it's really just a stream. I also got pulled over. Got a nice chat with the state troopers about my trip, and then just went on my way. And I think there was one more thing, but I cannot remember it. This is not fair. I have run out of gas. The tank was absolutely full, and I only got 139 miles out of it. This is just not fair. I can get 150. I've been consistently getting 150. I honestly don't know if I'm going to make it. I don't know if I'm going to make it.
on. Oh, come on. Wait, it's behind me? No. 10th Street. Pleasant. Okay, it's the other way. Come on. This is amazing. This is unbelievable. Oh my God. I could not have planned that any worse or better, I suppose. That is unbelievable. 142 miles. I used all 5 gallons. It took every drop of gas to get, what did I say, 140 something miles. I could say that I've been having a very lucky day. Pulled over, no speeding ticket, ran out of gas at a gas station. But I am concerned about the Dalton now because the math isn't going to work. I'm not going to have enough gas. I have reached the town of Portal, which is the border. Kind of a fitting name. I'm gonna stop here and get out my passport and put away my GoPro because I don't think they want you to film at border crossings. Here's my dilemma. It's still 9 hours to Calgary, where I have to meet everybody tomorrow. I can't see a thing because the sun is setting directly into my eyes. I'm not entirely sure what kind of towns I'm going to be getting into if I go this way. Looks like this one has big enough streets where there's probably some kind of hotel or something. Alright, I'm going to try to get to the next town at least.